Today, I'll install a physical control button for the Tesla center console within 10 minutes. Installing this product is very simple. You only need a plastic pry bar tool like this. The first step is to pry open this triangular trim panel. Pull this open. After breaking it apart, use the pry bar to apply gentle force here. Hold it, take it out along this way, and remove this pry bar. The second step is to remove this foot pedal. First, remove this buckle. Take it out. Then lift up this rubber strip, loosen it, and pull it from the back to the front to remove this. Then we take out this wiring harness from the package. This larger plug is the signal plug, and the smaller one is the power plug. Moreover, we are also equipped with a fuse. Then we insert the signal plug into the gray socket of the original vehicle. Insert it directly. Then the power plug. Lift up the original plug of vehicle, and then insert the plug. Then this is the module plug. Insert the module plug. You can see that the light inside is already powered on. Now is done here. When we complete the installation of the physical button and test it, then we put everything back. The package is packed with 2 fixing strips. Select and use them based on your car model. Use this fixing strip for Model 3 and buckle it with this hook position. Like this. This side is done. Next we need to power on and test this physical button. There are 2 ways to power it on. The first is to install an 18,650 battery to power it on. The other is that it is equipped with a Type-C cable. Plugging it in for power can also be tested. Now we use this 1865 battery to install and power it on for testing. Then align like this. Insert it. Okay. It's fine, the light is on. Well, let's try adjust the air volume. Click once to adjust the temperature. Now we test some of its button functions. Open the electric front trunk. Close the electric front trunk. Now we open this fixing strip, and then we push it upward here, push it tightly, and fix this fixing strip. When you hear a pop sound, it's fastened. Okay. Fixed in place. Now there is no problem after testing. Then we can putting everything back.